at Thermal Research and Development today, and we're going to be installing the new Ford Maverick 3-inch Catback exhaust system. With the 3 hangers unfastened, we're going to lower the exhaust system and work on a mark and a cut of the exhaust tube. We're going to locate the catalytic converter up in front. We're going to measure 2.5 inches back from the weld on the back side of the catalytic converter and make a mark. I'm going to take a Sawzall and cut down this line. You can also remove the exhaust system completely at the front connection, cut it on a table saw or something like that if that suits you. With the front pipe cut and deburred, we take the adapter with the 2.5 inch supplied band clamp, slide it over the unit, and tap it all the way forward. There's no adjustment on this part, so we can tighten it firm at this point. I'm going to rotate the hardware inbound with the nut down on the bottom side. Again, we're going to support this catalytic converter in position. We're going to skip the mid pipe at this point. We're going to come down to install the muffler. We'll lubricate 2 hangers that support this. Hanger probes in place. And then lift the muffler up till those hangers are parallel with the ground. Now we're ready to install the mid pipe. The first thing we want to do is put 2 indicator marks on the tube. This helps us locate the position of the clamp. We're going to come in 1.5 inches from the edge of the front adapter, move back to the muffler, and also come in 1.5 inches and put an indicator mark. We're going to get 2 of the 3-inch double compression clamps. And on the front one, put the hardware inbound and the nuts down, and we're going to slide it all the way forward and out of the way. Back on the muffler, we're still going to have the nuts down and the hardware inbound towards the drive shaft. We're going to slide that up till it hits the muffler. Now we're ready to put in the 3-inch mid pipe. We notice this pipe has 2 bends in it, and it has a short length after the one and a long length in front of the first bend. I'm going to take this long length and put it towards the motor or the catalytic converter. And slide that clamp down to the indicator mark. Slide the rear clamp down to the indicator mark. Support this exhaust pipe. We're coming up fairly close to the drive shaft, as this drive shaft does not go up and down, it just spins. We're looking for about 3/4 of an inch or a finger space there. With the clamp lining up with that indicator mark and the pipe all the way forward, we're going to snug this clamp up without over tightening it, because we very well may come back for a second adjustment. Also looking at our indicator mark, snugging that one in position. Okay, now it's time to install the tip, and we're going to install the dual tip for a demonstration. It's also available in 2 other styles. Put our 1.5 inch indicator mark. I'm going to slide the clamp over with the hardware inbound, nuts down, bring it all the way forward. We'll lubricate our rear hanger, install the tip, slide that clamp over and support it, giving it about 1 inch from the bottom of the fender well. At this point, tighten those clamps, check the entire exhaust system for alignment, tighten everything down, and we're ready to go.